AG back at it with another video. We're over at Six Flags New England today. We don't have on-ride vlogging approved, but still gonna make today fun. It's looking a little packed. It's about 12 o'clock right now and the parking lot's like half full. It is the second day of Fright Fest. Fright Fest opened up last night over here, I'm pretty sure, right?
Last night.
Yeah, we're gonna be trying to stick around all day for that. I haven't been to a Fright Fest in years. Like I don't know, like since I was a little kid, so it's gonna be fun. We're gonna see. Never been to New England Fright Fest either. I've only been to Great Adventure.
It's scary.
Alright, we're in. Let's do it. We're gonna go probably what? What do you want to do first? Cyclone, of course. It's so good. Fright Fest is on. Pumpkins. The first time we came to, I thought New England was super nice. From what I see, it's not people's favorites, but I thought it was super nice. I like the New England type of theming. Like what is that?
Like the old town.
Yeah, like the American colonial theming. Like that's really good. So.
I feel like I'm gonna regret saying that later.
Alright, first thoughts. Good?
Very good theming.
Right, I like it a lot. I think they're doing a good job. It looks good so far, and it's fun. I'm excited for later when the scare actors come out.
I'm not excited for that.
This is the main scare store when we came. So now it's like fully decked out. We are winning later, that's for sure. There it is.
I'm not necessarily prepared yet.
Pandemonium's about to go. Wicked Cyclone, you ready?
Yeah.
First one of the day, let's go. Wicked Cyclone done. What'd you think?
It was so good.
Yeah, I love that ride. It is such a good ride.
The
Great
first
RMC.
drop into the banked turn, like the forces in that are...
And even like the little airtime hills after and right into the end. Like even right into the end. And there's one that's like a thigh crusher. I don't know, it's like one towards the end that's a thigh crush because it shoots you over to the left, right? So
And
really good.
The hang time too.
Oh yeah, the 0G roll, that's so nice. We're gonna do Pandemonium next, and that one we like too. It's super spinny. Going right now.
I hope we get a really spinning one.
Yeah.
That looks good.
That looks like a really good one. Shout out to Six Flags for having these drink things. Able to refill our drinks, which is huge. The Six Flags Great Adventure does not have any open drink things that anyone can just go to. You have to go to you have to wait in line for a food thing to fill it. At least I haven't found it. So it's really annoying to do that when you're thirsty and just want to drink and trying to hurry up. The fact that they have it right there is huge, and it's not the only one.
Of them too.
Get a picture, come on. Hi. Pandemonium next. We already got our fast pass going, so let's just go ahead and do it. What are we thinking after this? Batman.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go in. Pandemonium. Surprisingly, we went just us two in it, and it was awesome. I wish that there were less, the brakes hit less, but it is what it is. So it goes super fast. And with two people, this is more fun. Like, when you're with a random group, you're just not as different. It's different. Yeah, exactly. You're looking at people, and so it gets a little awkward. But so I'm pretty sure this is where Quantum Accelerator is gonna go. What do you think of the ride showcase when you saw it? Have you seen it yet? You haven't even seen it, have you? No. It's a multi-launch coaster. I don't really know what it is, but it's like a straddle coaster. So you ride it like a horse or a motorcycle, something like that. So yeah, super excited for that. It needs it. The theming's really good. They're doing a good job.
They're doing a great job because
She's terrified.
Trick-or-treating is going on right now.
Want a picture? Drink up! I'd say we go do Batman, then Riddler's Revenge next. Yeah.
So, what did we do? We did Batman,
Riddler's
super
Revenge,
fun,
the roll
and the swings.
swings.
Not the sky screamer, the little, you were the biggest ones on the ride.
Little baby swings.
It was fun. And we got dipped on. You should have taken.
Are you ready for this? I'm not.
I'm so excited you got one.
Alright, we just did Superman. Every time we do it, we say it's so much fun, but then you give it 30 minutes and we're gonna be scared to do it again.
Really good though.
It was so good. And like we've been saying, after we've done so many roller coasters now, that it's just like not as scary as the first time.
That was like one of the first ones of the summer.
Exactly, one of the first ones that we really did.
In like a year.
It's known as one of the best roller coasters in the world, and it was voted it multiple times. And granted, last time was in 2009, but still, it was voted one of the best roller coasters in the world. And it's still amazing.
Yeah.
The scariest part is going up. Like that's scarier. That's scary to me no matter what. I'm always going to be scared about going up on a lift hill.
They make it intentionally slow. And
yeah, and you're looking over to the Connecticut River on your left, and it's just like a dead drop. Feeling about what?
Cyborg.
Maybe we push Cyborg off a little bit.
Yeah, we'll push
I'm
that
not too
up.
much of a spinny mood right now. Our plan right now is go ride Batman, go get some lunch. We're actually going to be leaving the park to go get lunch. One, because it's hard for Gianna to eat because of gluten-free, dairy-free. And also, like, it's expensive to eat in the park. We could get something better to eat. The main reason is we are staying, like, all day because we want to stay for the nighttime for Fright Fest, like actual Fright Fest. So, some of us want to stay. Yeah, we're just gonna like leave the park, take a little break. We've already done every ride. Like we did every ride. Yeah, we gotta hit Houdini later. Harley Quinn is not on the schedule for today. The Joker doesn't seem like it is either. One thing we want to talk about is Fast Pass and the cost of it and why we ended up going with it. And since we got it, it's been a dream. No complaints. Buy once, cry once. So that's honestly the motto. It's amazing. We can just visit any single Six Flags park, get Fast Pass, the best Fast Pass, and it's like we could just hit every single ride. We were able to record today and go get lunch because we had the Fast Pass, and we hit every ride within 2 hours.
Yeah.
So we were just like hitting repeats within 2 hours. So we were able to go do a lot more within the park by just buying in the beginning. Like I said, it hurts in the beginning. If you're gonna buy Fast Pass 2 times in a year on a Saturday, $150 each, that's $300 right there. So like you might as well have gotten it in the beginning of August, got it all year of 2024, and then get it all year for 2025. 100% makes it worth it, and that's why I just want to make sure I came here and just like explained it out to you guys. We did it in the last video, and it's super important because it's something that most people probably should have gotten. I don't know if it's offered at the sale price anymore, but definitely look into that, especially in August. We got our theme park ritual margaritas. Oh. They're super good too. Mine's just a plain margarita. You got strawberry. Buenos vibes.
Goodbye. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna fall.
On the train. Okay. We did not think we would be walking into this right now. That's sweet. I'm just trying to find some food. But this is cool. This is sweet. Oh my god. Shaq's foot, size 22.
Oh my god. Like my whole foot could fit in his
You fit
toes.
2 feet. There's another Mohegan sign. Maybe one day we'll head over to Mohegan and make a vlog over there.
I'm trying to decide on a sauce.
Sleepy.
Sleepy.
Alright, one of us is doing good.
The other is.
Yeah, she is afraid of Fright Fest.
Yeah, I don't like scary things, especially clowns.
Listen, I told her we can go. She said no, and she knows that we can go as soon as like it's too much for her. All right, we are in the park. It's gonna be a fun one. Fright Fest, Fright Fest Extreme, I think. Hey, I don't know if you thought about this, but one issue is that we have a camera. Did you think about that? Everyone's gonna be coming to the camera.
Alright, I'm getting comfortable. I just have to get comfortable with it.
It's I told her, just close your eyes, hold me. I'm not gonna put her in any scary situation, even if it feels a little funny, but I won't, I promise.
I'll see you soon. Toodles! Well, folks, seems like I got a hot take with Richard Simmons.
Operation Win the Game that you throw the ball on.
You got it. Too hard.
This one's different.
Softer, yeah.
Thank you. Man.
Sad face.
Operation Win a Game did not succeed. We did not succeed. And we're not gonna try again. Checking in, how you doing? Nothing's even happened yet. We got Gianna's car. This is nice. We have never seen this. Both times being at the park. Alright, we're gonna do the wild house. It's open. Here's a sign for Quantum Accelerator.
It's a party in Spin Punk! What type of device is that? What is that little thing?
Oh, it's just to say hi, that's all.
Hello!
What'd you think? She just got her popcorn, so she's all good. She's good. Doesn't matter what now. Oh man. It's not that bad.
No.
Exactly. You were freaking
I
out
thought
for
it was
nothing.
gonna be like that clown guy.
No. JB's is really good. Highly recommend
That's
if you're coming
They
here.
have the freestyle machine in there.
Oh.
Yeah, they have a Coke freestyle machine inside of what's it called? JB Smokehouse,
Yeah, so
which is
the machine, the Coke machine, the electronic one has all the different flavors. Flashback, which I like to do, but Gianna doesn't like to do.
Oh, I said I would do it. I feel like it's gonna be really hard to get on.
What's going on? You're sitting in the Giants chair.
Oh my gosh. So
What?
You know what? Where you're walking!
What? Oh, that's just a guy here.
my God.
Get her, get her,
No.
get her.
It's okay.
Sorry, I can't ride. Shopping. Speaking of the scare zone, let's walk through. Oh my God.
Yeah, that's it.
You like to smoke? Oh, well, you think you're safe too?
Pandemonium looks really cool at night.
It does.
Alright guys, that's gonna be it for Six Flags New England Fright Fest. It was so much fun again, like always. We have so much fun at this park.
Yeah.
Any park we go to, we have fun, let's be honest. Wicked Cyclone running at night has to be, in the back row, has to be one of the craziest things. And like, has to be one of the craziest things. Like, we did it in the beginning of the day, it was not going as fast as it was running that last run. So it was warming up, last row too. It was just so good. Highly recommend anyone do back row at night. Also running all day. It was
So
really good. That's gonna really be doing it for this season for us at theme parks, unfortunately. I mean, we're gonna be, if we can do another Six Flags Great Adventure Fright Fest video, we will. We'll do like a Christmas themed video, but season's over, unfortunately. But that doesn't mean it's gonna be it for our videos. There's gonna be tons more on this channel. It's not gonna be theme parks travel, just what stuff we're doing, or projects, or any DIY stuff, or anything like that. That's what you can find on this channel. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Let your friends know. They may like it too. Let us know what park you guys want to see us go to next. This is Andy.
And Gianna.
And we're heading out. See you guys next time.